Ahem. Okay, oh. Open na ni Dong. Oh. Go. This one, let's go. What's inside, Dong? What's inside? Dong, look, Dong. What's that?
Oh, no, what's this?
Dong, what's that?
Dong, it's so big.
Kita! That's a scooter!
Sabi ko.
Wala man siya.
Walang ano.
Sino yung pwede kainin?
Yan, pwede.
Ade.
Dong! Dong!
Wow!
What's that? Oh! What's that?
Scooter!
What's that?
The scooter!
Dong, Dong!
No!
I like it.
Bakit na-process?
Kasi di niya maano. Sabi niya na gawin.
Oh, nice! Blue for a boy.
Oh!
Yay!
Ride na? No, madulas dito. Baka dumagtay din doon sa ano.
Can I swim?
Apo.
Where will my nose, mommy?
Can you try? Sa loob. Give mommy.
Wow!
Wow!
Galing.
Oh, good job,
Yay!
Yay!
Dong! Hi! Happy birthday! Open! Open your gift. Wee! Uy! Ay, marunong na mag-open. Go! Hila! Hila mo, anak. Galing! Oh! Ano sabi? To dearest Dong, happy second birthday, love, Ninang Dea. This one, open ulit. Sleepy na Dong. Happy? Happy? Happy. Bada, oo. Okay? Kunik. Wow!
Yep.
Wow! So nice! Wow, ang dami ng damit ni Dongdong. Wow! Wow, thank you, Ninang Dea. Wow! Oh, you want to open? Oh, open. Sleepy na si Dongdong. Oh, mama. Open.
Lashy. Ay, kukumilon.
Wow! Cocomelon! Open! Open mo! Zipper! This is Dongdong! Oh, tabi na kayo. Tabi kayo ni Cocomelon, ni JJ. And you have blanket. Wow. Wow, JJ. Oh, sleep na. Sleep na, Dongdong. Sleep na. Wow. Oh. Oh. Nice. And this one, what's this? What's inside? JJ. Who's that? Happy birthday, Dangdang! You hug na, JJ. Oh.
That's my gift.
Paano? Paano sabi, paano? Dinosaur, dino? Paano sabi? Oh, sabi. Uy! Daming gift ni Dong. Paano? Dinosaur?
Nagkakakumeron siya. Alam ko.
Wow! Dami clothes, Dong. Wow! Wow, that's from Tinang Dea.
Dito ako eh.
Diba? Opo. This one, no? Broom broom.
Mami, Osa, bigay ni Mom.
Ay, wow. Thank you.
Mom, the teacher.
Mm.
Ay, what even?
Paano yan? Paano? Happy birthday, Dong. Also,